श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किकेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे निधत्तां सदाहृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां मैत्र्योमास्मे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानशानोपदेशम् गयानिधिं देहविदां शरण्यं देवमहेप्रियं प्रपद्ये दिगन्तमे देवसदा त्वदीयादया दण्डान्तराक्षाः त्वत्प्रेष्ठं कामङ्गलं शरन्ति नमस्ते नमस्कारार्थेन विशेषविस्पार्शदेशनाथराङ्गणेषु गीषतो मे कवितार्किकेन आद्यस्माकं व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजै पुस्तकं दरीकेन श्रीरमदुक्षदेर्विश्वविप्लावेन्मा आविर्भूया जनघनगिमा मानसे वागधीशः ஒரு ரெண்டு குழந்தைகள் இந்த பால சப்த ரூபம், ரெண்டு குழந்தைகள் ராம சப்த ரூபம்.
ஓகே அடியன். अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः बालशब्दः बालः बालौ बालाः बालं बालौ बालान् बालेन बालाभ्यां बालैः बालाय बालाभ्यां बालेभ्यः बालात् बालाभ्यां बालेभ्यः बालस्य बालयोः बालानां बाले बालयोः बालेषु हे बाल हे बालौ हे बालाः. अडियन धन्यवाद.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः बालशब्दः a boy. प्रथमा बालः बालौ बाला.
No need to read Pratama Ditya. Just read without.
Okay. बालं बालौ बालान् बालेन बालाभ्यां बालौः बालीः. अडियन
அடுத்தது बालाय
बालाभ्यां बालेभ्यः बालात् बालाभ्यां बालेभ्यः बालस्य बालयोः बालानां बाले बालयोः बालेषु हे बाल हे बालौ हे बालाः. धन्योऽस्मि अडियन्.
आकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः रामः रामौ रामाः रामं रामौ रामान् रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामस्य रामयोः रामानां रामे रामयोः रामेषु हे राम हे रामौ हे रामाः.
Adiyan, ஒருத்தர் படிச்சுட்டா அடியன். வரத விஷ்ணு, can you read?
अडियन्. अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः रामः रामौ रामाः रामं रामौ रामान् रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामस्य रामयोः रामानां रामयोः रामेषु हे राम हे रामौ हे रामाः. अडियन् धन्योऽस्मि.
அடியன் 2 பேர் படிச்சுட்டு அடியன்
இது படிக்கணும் இல்லையா 2 பேர் வார்த்தாலாபः 1 இல்லையா
ஆடியன் சுவாமி இதுல இருந்து படிப்பாங்க
2 பேர் படிக்கட்டும் இல்ல ஒருத்தரே கூட படிக்கட்டும் ஒருத்தராவே எல்லாத்தையும் படிக்கட்டும் அப்படி இல்ல 2 பேர் படிக்க முடியும்னா 2 பேர் படிக்கட்டும் ரமேஷ் ஒருத்தர் லதான்னு ஒருத்தர் இல்ல ஒரே குழந்தைய படிக்கட்டும் மொத்தத்தையும் கன்ஃபியூஷனே வேண்டாம் 4 பேர் படிக்கட்டும்
ஆடியன்
अहं बालकः अस्मि अहं रमेशः अस्मि किं त्वं लता असि I am a boy I am Ramesh Are you Lata Lata आम् अहं लता अस्मि किं त्वं गृहं गच्छसि Yes I am Lata Are you going home न अहं गृहं न गच्छामि अहं विद्यालयं गच्छामि त्वं कुत्र गच्छसि No I am not going home I am going to school Where are you going अहमपि विद्यालयं गच्छामि आवां विद्यालयं गच्छावः I am also going to school We are going to school
रमेशः अहं बालकः अस्मि अहं रमेशः अस्मि किं त्वं लता असि I am a boy I am Ramesh Are you Lata आम् अहं लता अस्मि किं त्वं गृहं गच्छसि Yes I am Lata Are you going to home रमेशः न अहं गृहं न गच्छामि No I am not going to home अहं विद्यालयं गच्छामि I am going to school त्वं कुत्र गच्छसि Are you also going Where are you going Lata अहम् अपि विद्यालयं गच्छामि I am also going to school आवां विद्यालयं गच्छावः
We'll go next one. Vartalabha 2. Now 2 people are talking. Putra Dinesha किं त्वं गृहकार्यं लिखसि Okay, father is asking Dinesh. Okay, in this Rama also there. Dinesh and Rama, 2 are there. Putra Dinesha, my dear son Dinesh, किं त्वं गृहकार्यं लिखसि? लिखसि? Do you write homework? And Dinesha, Janaka, father, aham grihakaryam na likhami. I grihakaryam homework na likhami. I don't write. Aham sanskritam pathami. I read Sanskrit. I learn. Janaka, no father. Rama kim pathati. This explains this Vartala Pratham Purush, Madhyam Purush, Uttam Purush, all 3. Okay, all 3. Mixture of all 3. So here Janaka, father is asking, Rama kim patati. See, kim Rama patati is one. See the sentence. See the difference between the meaning. Okay. Rama See, Kim Rama Patati. This is meaning is whether Rama is reading or whether Rama is learning. That's the meaning. Rama Kim Patati means what does Rama read? Okay. See the difference. Kim Rama Patati means whether Rama is learning or reading. Here Rama Kim Patati means what is Rama reading? What is the content? It is about the content. Okay. So the difference, that's the difference here. That's the difference. See, Kim in the center, Kim in the beginning. Okay. Kim in the beginning. That's the difference. So Rama Kim Patati. What is Rama doing? See here. Kim Saapi Sanskritam Patati. Whether Kim, whether Saapi, she also Sanskritam Patati. Reading Sanskritam. Kim Saapi Sanskritam Patati. Kim Saapi Sanskritam Patati. Whether she is also reading Sanskrit. Dinesha. Tata. Tata means father. Saapi Sanskritam Patati. Yes. She also learns Sanskrit. Then Rama. Janaka. Aham Sanskritam Patami. Now Rama is starting. Janaka. Oh father. Aham Sanskritam Patami. I learn Sanskritam. Avam Sanskritam Patavaha. Avam. We both Sanskritam Patavaha Likhavaha Cha. Okay. Avam. We both Sanskritam Patavaha. We both learn Sanskritam. Likhavaha Cha. And write. We both learn and write. I hope everyone is writing. Okay. See, today 2 students told that they did not write anything. You should not do like that. Okay, real learning is you have to write. I am giving you instruction. You have to write. I am telling you very slowly. Okay, you have to write. Copy that. Once again, I am reading. You all will copy. Vartalapaha 2. Okay, conversation 2. Janaka Putra Dinesha. Putra Dinesha, my dear son Dinesh, Kim Tvam Grihakaryam Likhasi? Kim Tvam Grihakaryam Likhasi? Do you write Grihakaryam? Do you write Grihakaryam? Dinesha, Janaka, Aham Grihakaryam na likha. I don't write homework. Aham Sanskritam Patami. Aham Sanskritam Patami. I read Sanskrit. Kim Rama Patati. Sorry. Rama Kim Patati. Rama Kim Patati. What does Rama read? Kim Saapi Sanskritam Patati. She also learns Sanskritam. Yeah. She also learns Sanskritam. Dinesha. Dinesh is talking to Tata, father. Saapi Sanskritam Patati. She is also learning Sanskritam. Then Rama, Janaka, father, Aham Sanskritam Patami. I learn Sanskritam. Avam Sanskritam Patavaha Likhavaha. Avam, we both learn and write Sanskrit. Okay. So now students will read. So 4 students, they will read with the meaning. They have to read with the meaning.
Audience one.
Janaka, Putra Dineshah, my dear son Dinesh, Kim Tvam Grihakarya Hasi, do you write homework? Janaka, Aham Grihakaryam na likhaami. I don't write homework. Aham Sanskritam Patami. I read Sanskrit. Janaka, Rama Kim Pathat. What is Rama reading? Kim Sa Abhi Sanskritam Patati. Is she also reading Sanskrit? Tatta, father. सा अपि संस्कृतं पठति. She is also reading Sanskrit. Rama. Janakah says, Aham Sanskritam patami. I read Sanskrit. Avam Sanskritam patavah likhavah. We both read Sanskrit.
Uttam.
Adiyan. Putra Dinesha Janakah. Putra Dinesha Kim Tvam Grihakaryam Likhasi. Dear son, do you write homework? Dineshah Janaka Aham Grihakaryam Likhami. Father, Aham Sanskritam Patami. Father, I don't write homework, I read Sanskritam. Janakah Rama Kim Patati. Kim sa api Sanskritam patati. What is Rama reading? Is she reading Sanskritam? Dineshah Tata sa api Sanskritam patati. Father, yes, she also learns Sanskrit. Rama Janaka Aham Sanskritam patami. Avam Sanskritam patavaha likhavah cha. Father, I learn Sanskritam. We both learn Sanskritam and write.
Next week we are going to converse. Okay? Yeah, after this lesson we are going to converse. Next week let me see how many of you are ready to converse with me in Sanskrit. Okay? Yeah. You have to give your name to our Swami. Swami, please note the name who is ready to converse with me next week. Okay?
Audience Swami.
Yeah. Next, last conversation of last year. Okay. Now, so far you have seen teacher and student and father and children were conversing. Now we go to Panchatantra. In Panchatantra, you know that they are fables. Okay, they are fable stories. There, animals, birds are speaking. Like that now also. If they speak, how they will speak? Same way. What we have spoken, same way they will speak. Okay? What they will speak, let us speak. Shashaka. Shashaka means rabbit. Kim tvam bhekaha asi? Rabbit is asking. Are you frog? Are you a frog? Bhekaha. Bheka. See, Kim says, are you or do you? Kim, here also. So, Kim, see here also. Conversation, no, Kim is used too much. See here also, Kim, 3 areas in conversation. Here also, if you see, Kim Tvam. And so like that, this Kim is used in the beginning to question somebody. Okay? Shashaka. Kim tvam bhekaha asi? Are you a frog? Tvam, you. Bhekaha asi. You are a frog. Kim bhek? Are you a frog? Then bheka. Frog is replying. Bhekaha means frog. Okay? Yes. I am. Aham bhekaha asi. I am a frog. Aham atra karami. Aham.
iPad like Telegram install
Atra here. Aham atra karami. Kim tvam vanaraha asi? Are you a monkey? Okay. Shashaka asked Bheka. Correct. Bheka never seen this. Okay, it is thought that okay, this is a monkey. Kim tvam vanaraha asi? Are you a monkey? Then Shashaka replies, no, I'm not. Aham vanaraha na. Aham vanaraha na asmi. Aham Shashaka asmi. I'm a rabbit. Shashaka rabbit. Okay? Then Bhekaha is asking, Kim tvam tarasi? Tarasi means crossing or jumping, swimming. Tarasa means swimming. Do you swim? Tarasa. Do you swim? Then Shashaka says, no, I am not. Aham ghasam khadami. I eat grass. Okay? Vegena dhavami cha. Vegena dhavami cha. Also I run fast. Okay. Once again I will tell you the meaning. All of you please note down. Okay. I will tell the meaning. Shashaka. Now rabbit and frog both are conversing. Kim tvam bhekaha asi? Are you a frog? Then bheka. Aham bhekaha asmi. I am a frog. Aham atra tarami. I swim here. Kim tvam manaraha asi? Are you a monkey? Then Shashaka. No, not. Aham manaraha na asmi. I am not a monkey. Aham manaraha na asmi. I am not a monkey. Aham Shashakaha asmi. And a rabbit. Bheka. Kim tvam tarasi? Do you swim? Then Shashaka. Na. Means what? I don't swim. Aham ghasam khadami. Vegena dhavami. Aham ghasam khadami. I eat what? Ghasam, grass. I eat grass. Vegena cha dhavami. And also run fast. Okay, you know that the rabbit runs very fast. Yeah. Swami had it for 4% meaning of it.
Kim tvam bheka asi? Are you a frog? Bhekah. Aham bhekah asmi. Aham atra tarami. Kim tvam vanarah asi? Yes, I am a frog. I swim here. Are you a monkey? Shashakah. Na. Aham vanarah na asmi. Aham shashakah asmi. No, I am not a monkey. I am a rabbit. Bhekah. Kim tvam tarasi? Do you swim? Shashakah. Na. Aham ghasam kadami. Vegena dhavami cha. No, I eat grass and also run fast. Dhanyasmi Aryan.
Okay. Shashakah. Kim tvam bhekah asi? Are you a frog? Bhekah. Aham bhekah asmi. Aham atra tarami. Kim tvam vanarah asi? Yes, I am a frog. I swim here. Are you a monkey? Shashakah. Na. Aham vanarah na asmi. Aham shashakah asmi. No, I am not a monkey. I am a rabbit. Bhekah. Kim tvam tarasi? No. Kim tvam tarasi? Do you swim? Shashakah. Na. Aham ghasam khadami. Vegena dhavami cha. No, I eat grass and run fast. Again.
நாலு பேர் படிச்சாச்சு சார்.
Let me read the question. Students, be prepared with your answers. Okay, but you should not tell the answer. You guess the answer. Okay, it is from the text one. You should give from the lesson. Okay. Give answers in Sanskrit. Kim tvam chhatraha asi? You have to give the answer, not now. First guess the answer. Kim tvam vidyalayam gacchasi? Kim tvam vidyalayam gacchasi? Kim Rameshaha bhojanam khadati? It is according to the lesson. Kim Rameshaha bhojanam khadati? Rama kim patati? It is not Kim Rama patati. It is Rama kim patati. Kaha vegena dhavati? Kaha vegena dhavati? Who runs fast? Tvam kim likhati? What do you write? Tvam kim likhati? What do you write? Tvam sayam kutra gacchati? Tvam sayam kutra gacchati? Where do you go in the evening? Now, let us try the answer. Kim tvam chhatraha asi? How will you answer? I'll write it. Aham chhatraha asmi. Okay, aham chhatraha asmi. Okay. Next, kim tvam vidyalayam gacchasi? Do you go to school? Aham vidyalayam gacchami. Aham vidyalayam gacchami. Next. Kim Rameshaha bhojanam khadati? Whether Ramesh is eating food? Is this in the lesson? Where is Ramesh? This is Ramesh. Where is Ramesh? What is Ramesh doing? Ramesh is not eating. What is he going? What is he doing? He is going to school. So Ramesha. So okay. Ramesha. Kutra gacchati? Where is? What is he doing? Vidyalayam gacchati. Okay. Ramesha vidyalayam gacchati. Okay. Next. We have Rama kim patati? Rama kim patati? Rama Sanskritam. Rama Sanskritam patati. Okay, we have seen this. Rama Sanskritam patati. Next. Kaha vegena dhavati? Who is running fast? Who is running fast? As for the lesson. Shashakaha. Shashakaha vegena dhavati. Shashakaha vegena dhavati. Next. Tvam kim likhati? Tvam kim likhati? Answer should be aham. Okay? Aham Sanskritam likhami. Likhami. Aham Sanskritam likhami. Tvam sayam kutra gacchati? Tvam sayam kutra gacchati? Where do you go in the evening? Where is it there? Is there anywhere? Oh, where do you go in the evening? There is no answer. Somewhere it is there. It is not there. So what you can write? You can write something on your own. Write your own answer. Aham Sayam Udyanam. So Sayam Udyanam Gacchami. See what I have used in. Okay. So the dot. Where I have used dot, where I have used ma with. Okay. See in this sentence also you have to follow all these things. Okay. Hereafter you have to follow all these things. Whenever you write, you should follow. See what is there here. See aham. Why dot is there? Because next word is here. consonants. Why ma with halantam is there? Next word starts with a vowel. See, again dot is there. Why? Because the next word starts with a consonant. So when next word starts with a consonant, dot should be there. When next word starts with a vowel, then ma with halantam should be there. Okay, hereafter will you follow? See here. Aham. See what I have written. Aham. Why? Because ma with halantam. Why? Because aham dot. Because of next word. Okay, Vidyalayam dot. Because next word starts with a consonants. Next, aham Vidyalayam. See here also. Sanskritam. Sanskritam here also. Why im here? Because of sa. Because of im, next word starts with consonant. So dot here. Same way here also. Aham Sanskritam. Aham dot. Because of sa. Okay. Tam dot here. Because of next word starts with a consonant. La. Okay. So now read. Question with answer. Everyone should note down the answers.
Aryan, that is from Shriram. Kim tvam chhatraha asi? Aham chhatraha asmi. Kim tvam vidyalayam gacchasi? Aham vidyalayam gacchami. Kim rameshaha bhojanam khadati? Na rameshaha vidyalayam gacchati. Rama kim patati? Rama sanskritam pathati. Kaha vegena dhavati? Shakaha vegena dhavati. Tvam kim likhasi? Aham sanskritam likhami. Tvam sayam kutra gacchasi? Aham sayam udyanam gacchami.
Uttama. Very good.
अडियन् नमस्कारम् अडियन् अद्विका किं त्वं छात्रः असि आम् अहं छात्रः अस्मि किं त्वं विद्यालयं गच्छसि आम् अहं विद्यालयं गच्छामि किं रमेशः भोजनं खादति न रमेशः विद्यालयं गच्छति रमा किं पठति रमा संस्कृतं पठति कः वेगेन धावति शशकः वेगेन धावति त्वं किं लिखसि अहं संस्कृतं लिखामि त्वं सायं कुत्र गच्छसि अहं सायं उद्यानं गच्छामि अडियन् धन्यस्मि
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु सर्वत्र नन्दतु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
धन्यवाद स्वामी.